Welcome back, Freestyle Nation. Welcome back to the movement. As you can see, guys, I'm in a flight mode. It's all about Jamaica 60th Independence, guys. So I'm at the JFK airport about to head to Kingston, Jamaica. So guys, just stick and stay for the celebration Jamaica 60th Independence Freestyle. Guys, remember, like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, the subscription button. Join the movement. Freestyle. Catch you in Kingston, Jamaica.
Yep. Please let your watches 1 hour back. Please keep your seatbelt securely fastened. Your carrying items stowed until the captain has brought the aircraft to the gate and has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs.
This is your property. These buildings are fairly new, and as the parking, you have an option if you want to park on the
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I saying? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Now Freestyle, today we're coming to you from Kingston, Jamaica, and we're at 10 Harloes Place, and it is located at 10 Suborton Avenue, Kingston. It's up in Jamaica, and you're looking for an Airbnb. This is the place to be, guys. Very luxurious, very affordable. So guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of the property, and you can see for yourself what's going on at Harloes Place. Now right here, guys, as you enter the property is a security, so no need to worry about security, guys. These buildings are fairly new, and as the parking, you have an option if you want to park on the front or if you want to park on the basement. If you're looking to parking on the basement, guys, I'm gonna give you a quick run of the basement parking. If you want to dispose of your garbage, the garbage house is right here. And the parking is under the basement right there. As I said, guys, it is optional if you want to park under the basement, or if you want to park on the front of the building. The choice is yours. So the building has two blocks. You have a block A and you have a block B. And guys, I must tell you, this place is at a very central location. It is close to actually everything in Kingston. It's probably like about 3 minutes from here to half a 3. If you want to walk to Devon House, it's probably like a next 3 minutes walking to Devon House. If you want to go to the Bob Marley Museum, it's probably about 5 minutes drive to Bob Marley Museum. If you want to go to New Kingston, it's probably about 5 minutes drive to New Kingston as well. So you're at a very central location where you have everything at your fingertip. You have supermarket, you have pharmacy, you have yeah, so basically you have like a wide variety of everything right at your fingertip, guys. No need to look any further if you're looking for an Airbnb in Kingston, Jamaica. And guys, as for the contact, if you want to book this property, guys, you could hit me up, or you could check the description for the info. Now guys, I'm gonna give you a walk around of the property to let you have a feel of it, to see what Harloes Place is like. As I said, guys, it's very affordable, luxurious of course, and very comfortable. And as you can see, Freestyle, I'm walking around, and here you go, there's a mango tree right here. Doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. Jamaica, Jamaica. You walk around, mango falling on the ground and stuff like that. Here we go. Next mango is right here. Now I have 2 mangoes. Now guys, look at that. Nice clean property. Nice palm trees. Nice green area, nice lawn. Very relaxed guys, in the middle of Kingston right here. And as I said before guys, it is close to just about everything that you want to access. And guys, if you want like activities, restaurant, stuff like those, you have the Oak Garden just probably like about the next 8 minutes drive from here. You have the Helshire Beach, which is probably about 15 or 20 minutes drive from here. I mean, like, everything is very close. Everything is at your fingertip. 10 Harloes Place, Kingston, and it is located at 10 Suborton Avenue off Oak Road across from the Winchester Medical Center. Nice property, very relaxed, very quiet. I'm gonna take you to the back of the property now guys, where there's a swimming pool, and also on the top of the roof there is a jacuzzi, but I'll wait until in the night time I give you the view of the roof. Here you go, freestyle. The swimming pool is right here. Hey guys. Now what more could you ask for? Everything is right at your fingertip. This property is located at a central location. You could get around very easily, very secure. No need to worry about security. And as I said before guys, if you want to book this property, you can check the description for the information, or you could hit me up directly for your bookings. 10 Harloes Place, Kingston, Jamaica. The #1 and leading affordable, luxurious Airbnb in Kingston right now, without a doubt. Now freestyle, I'm going inside now, and I'm going to give you a walk around of the inside of the property. Now first you enter, you're going to enter your passcode to enter. I'll go ahead and enter my passcode off camera. And you open the door. You open the door, you have an option. If you want to take the staircase, or if you want to take the elevator. Now I'm going on the 2nd floor. Now freestyle, I'm now on the second floor. I will give you a view of the outside from the second floor. This is it. Overlooking the hills of Kingston. Now freestyle, this is the room. As you can see for yourself guys, nice and clean. You enter the room guys, right here is a kitchen area. The kitchen area is right here. You have your fridge, microwave, toaster. You have your stove. Freestyle, what more could you ask for guys? It doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. So right here is the living room here. Well cool guys, you have the AC unit right there. Your TV over here, and as for your TV guys, you have your Netflix, you have your YouTube, and yes, you have your Wi-Fi service as well. Nice and clean, nice and affordable, very relaxed guys. Harloes Place, and it is located at 10 Suborton Avenue, across from the Winchester Medical Center, Kingston, Jamaica. If you're looking to charity Kingston guys, this is the place to book, and I'm sure you will surely enjoy your stay here guys. It is just relax. You're safe of course, no need to worry. Now right here guys, I'm gonna enter into the bedroom here. Right here is the bathroom. And right here guys is the bedroom. Your bed is right here. TV, a chest of drawer, a dresser. You have a bedside table right here. Nice and comfortable. Now I'm gonna give you a look of the outside now. Now this is the outside from the balcony. And as I said before guys, I'm on the second floor. Around the back there is the swimming pool. And over here is an open lot. Trust me. This is a nice piece of lot. If it's selling, it will be like a good buy because you're at a central location in the middle of Kingston, close to everything. Doesn't get any better than this. Across there is the suborton court. Guys, the area is just relaxed and quiet. So guys, as I said before, if you're looking to book, you could hit me up, or I would leave the info for the property in the description so you can book your stay at 10 Harloes Place, Kingston, Jamaica. And guys, as for this property, it is probably like about 15 to 20 minutes drive from the airport. It's very close to the airport. So it goes back to say you're close to just about everything. Everything is at your fingertip. You have your ceiling fan. Nice paintings on the wall. You have a TV over there, flow cable, internet. What more could you ask for? Fridge, your microwave, your stove. Nice property, guys. So if you're looking to book, hit me up directly, or I'll leave it, the information in the description. And remember, it's at 10 Harloes Place, and it's located on 10 Suborton Avenue, Kingston. It is off Hope Road. Right here is half a tree. Straight ahead right here is half a tree. And if you go further down, you're looking at Kingston Spring Road. And over on the hills there, you're looking at Red Hills, Tony Hill. Looking at I think this Barbican further up. Cherry Gardens, Narbrook, all those uptown places, guys. The view is just amazing, as you can see for yourself. Kingston, Jamaica. And I must tell you guys, this spot is very ideal because it is close to everything. Everything is at your fingertip, guys. Booking this property, you can't go wrong. View is breathtaking, guys. I mean, like, you're actually overlooking the entire city of Kingston. Look at that.